guys, welcome to the BeamNG air show. However, my last air show I tried to film was far too long to use it, so I'm gonna have to fly here with a time limit of about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't even know how long it is. Anyways, let's start the air show. So I'm gonna fly all the way there because I'm a lazy person. Let's say that the air show is always happening over there. Usually when I'm with the, yeah, you should see if you can show my other videos. Usually when I fly the airplanes here, they take way too long to get off the runway. Lift up probably around here, climb at like mid-range, barely clear the trees. And then I anyway, there's something means I went to the air show the other day, rather like last weekend. And not this weekend, last weekend. And it was pretty epic. Anyway, I'm gonna go do a torque spin. That went well. You know what? Let's see this cockpit. That's not survivable. Anyway, let's move on to the next part of the airport where we drop a live explosive on the ground. Alright, we don't need to finish the lap for this. Alright, maybe we can crash another one of these. That has that powerful engine. Maybe then we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna let it lift off on its own. High at speed. I don't want to drop the bomb. Because I learned my lesson from the last year, so I'm not going to trim out a video of it. I'll trim it out. You know, I'll trim it out for the December video. But here's basically what I did. So I was flying exact plane to the other air show, dropped a bomb, and then blew myself up because I was way too good. I just downloaded the Avro Aero Launch, so it's possible to control. The high turn. Alright. Drop the bomb. Go. Dive. Work it up right. Oh, it's doing the weird thing. Well, now let's get the version I was talking about. Get the TLRs. Fired the TLRs. Now hold off the brake. Accelerate fast. It's only to break the sound barrier a little bit. Yeah, I wish there was a practical plane in this game that would break the sound barrier, like that was actually easy to control. Like a freaking F-18 or something. Like all the projects I've seen, like 737 and stuff, they all quit the project. It's difficult for them. Anyway, here we're gonna go drop a bomb. Drop another bomb. Whoa. That went very, very well. See the cockpit view. That is the cockpit view, and oh. As you can see, we're screwed. So let's go to the other plane we crashed to reset it. This crash never happened. And let's take off with some good cinematic shots. This thing likes to pull in one random direction and just keep going that way. Alright. Nothing I can do to change the camera angle this time. Alright. So we're gonna go really freaking fast here. Can't even tell what my altitude is. Oh yeah, I'm going down a little bit. So I'm gonna set this as my goal altitude. And we're gonna go for a high G turn. And we are flying this. I don't even know what the hell that was. We're gonna go for a loop. There's a stall warning going off. So we're gonna go for a turn. I'm gonna zero the altitude. And we are going to fly this thing really freaking high. Nope, I'm in the negatives now. We're gonna have to get a bit of a speed up. The Messerschmitt had an instability. Somehow. Welcome to my world. Anyway. So we're gonna do a loop. We did a loop. And we're gonna do whatever the hell this is. So this is going to be our altitude meter telling us if we're really in trouble. We're going to go get a little bit of a knife edge. That was a good maneuver. I don't have my steering wheel plugged in this time. I'm doing all airplanes. I don't even know how high I am. So we're going to get some good speed here, and we're going to pull up. We're pulling some good G's, and we're going to do a torque spin. That wasn't really a torque spin, but okay. So I have no idea where we are or how high we are. But we're gonna get a little bit of a wing shake. We're pulling some good G's. We're gonna go for that. The stall warning going off every single time we pass. Alright. We're pulling some G's here. Don't even know how high we are in relation to the ground. So we're getting some good maneuvering here. And we're approaching the 10-minute mark, so I'm going to have to end this video soon. And the stall warning just is very annoying. So we're going to end this video by landing. So we're going to do a bit of a flip, high G pull, and we're going to get the tail view of the plane. Now I know exactly where I am. So I'm going to go do a flyby of the beach. That did not go well, and that was completely unexpected. This pilot's view, he's dead. Well, now, anybody want a free plane? Yeah, I guess somebody will take it. So we got that. Someone teleport back to the runway. Yeah. So I am going to one last stunt, go inverted and release my bombs. Right where we crashed earlier, we're gonna go upside down, release both bombs, and somehow not blow up. I don't think there was enough force on them. So anyway, we are going to do a finale of the air show where we die. Alright, now for this air show, we are gonna pause time. Now, camera view. Alright. So this is a good air show so far. So yeah, there are parts that are about to rain on the whole of this place. Or I don't even know what the land is called here. So yeah. That cameraman is dead. Alright. The video is over. Bye.